is Delene, and today I have a reveal. I'm so excited. It got delivered today and I couldn't help myself but to open it, so that's why I'm calling it a reveal. It's not an unboxing. So you guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I will have a lot more videos coming, and I do videos on luxury goods. I love Louis Vuitton, you guys, so I did, majority of my unboxings are Louis Vuitton, but I do other unboxings. I unboxed Chanel, and I've unboxed even Tory Burch and Coach, and just a lot of other things, YSLs. So if you guys are interested in that, there's a mosquito in my house. So if you guys are interested in that, please stay tuned and subscribe. Click on that bell so you can get my notification. So anyways, without further ado, let me go ahead and show you what I got. It is another piece from the Christmas animation, you guys. I didn't know I was going to get a third piece. I told myself no, but my husband's like, you know what, I know this Christmas animation came early. It usually comes in November, I think. He goes, I told him, you know what, let it be my Christmas present, because I really want all three of these. And I don't want to sound selfish, like, oh, well, you can get me something else for Christmas. So these are my Christmas present, and this is what I got today. I did a video on the other two Christmas animation that I got a couple weeks ago, so I'm going to go ahead and link that up there so you guys can click on it. So if you guys want to see the video, you're welcome to. But you guys, here we go. Kapow! It is the passport card holder. It is just so pretty. Look at that. This is pretty close to the size of the PM Agenda, I think. You know what? It's right here. Look at that. It is pretty close, because when I put it against like that, you could barely see the agenda. And I use this thing every day. I think this is my most used SLG. And then my second most used is my key clay. But this thing here I use every day. It's a calendar. I've got everything in there, all my appointments, because as you guys know, I'm a real estate agent, so I have to have a calendar. I don't like it on my phone. But now I've got this. I don't travel a lot, so I most likely will not be using it for my passport on a daily basis, but I do want to use this because it's way too cute. I can use it either like a notebook. So I have a notebook here, and I can stick it in here like that, or I can buy a little calendar also and use this as an agenda once in a while, or use this as an agenda and see how that works. On the website, it says this thing has 3 card slots. It does not. It has 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's got this here. So I guess that can be for cash if I want to use it like a wallet. I really like this. I'm really excited about it. I am going to go to Hobby Lobby today and look for things where I can use this on a daily basis if I'm carrying a little bit of a bigger bag. And this measures 3.9 inches, 5.5, and then 1 inch. And like I said, it is a rose ballerine. It's monogram coated canvas, and it is cowhide leather lining here. And it is an open slot, so you can put your passport in there. I think this is so pretty. I'm not sure where this one is made because it's so light I could barely see it. I think it says France. It is so hard to see because the light pink and the gold, it's just so rough. I cannot see that. And look how beautiful this is. I am going to show you a little bit of a closer up. The pink on this is just so pretty. Let me go ahead and show you all 3 that I got. And they all have the same Vivian on a Ferris wheel. I am completely in love with this print here. So here you go. I love this. I love this so much. They do have other prints. What did I do with my bag charm? So there's a bag charm. Oh, here it is. So here's my bag charm. Here's my double zip pochette, which, oh my God, I love this. This is so cute. And now I got the passport. Oh my goodness, I am so lucky today. I am so thankful I want to thank my husband for being so sweet to me always and buying things like this. I think next year I'm going to try for the mini pochette. If the bag charms are cute, I'm going to get another bag charm. And I'm also wanting either the sunglass case, hopefully they're cute, or the pencil case. So, and this time I'm only going to get 2. I don't want to be selfish. And if their notebook is cute, maybe the third piece can be a notebook because that's not as expensive. But that is, I'm just so happy with this. Okay, you guys, I had to share my Christmas animation things that I got. Like, I'm going to go ahead and link the video, like I said. I think I said earlier, on the other 2 that I got, so you guys can just watch a video on it. And if you have any questions, you guys let me know. And I got this sweater today in the mail. I got it through Amazon. I just thought it was fun and kind of goofy looking. I just want it to be fun. And I got that today also. I love it because it's just cotton, and sometimes if it's another material, it gets super hot for me. I'm just wearing shorts underneath this. And they come in all different colors. I'll link the link below if you guys are interested. They come in blue, green, and a paler pink, and then this crazy color here. I didn't know if I liked it when I first opened it, but you know what? I like it. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. God bless you. Take care. Hope you guys are in good health. Be careful with the coronavirus. And God bless you, and have a wonderful day. Bye.